Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Kia Optima headlight bulb, updated. Begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly at the front of the vehicle. Wear gloves to protect the bulb and your hands from oils and debris. Disconnect the battery negative terminal if you prefer extra safety. Remove the protective cover on the back of the assembly to access the bulb socket and wiring connector gently. Gently press and release the wiring connector by locating the small plastic tab and pulling straight back to avoid damage. If there is a retaining clip, unhook it carefully. If the socket twists, rotate it counterclockwise until it loosens. Pull the old bulb straight out without wobbling to prevent breaking the glass. Inspect the socket and housing for corrosion or moisture, and clean with a dry cloth if needed before installing the new bulb. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car how-tos, and it really helps us out. Quick recommendation. Here is a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, a small read with big ideas you can apply while you work on projects like this. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the new bulb by its base or use a clean glove to keep oils off the glass, which can shorten bulb life. Align the bulb tabs with the socket and push it straight in until it seats fully. Then secure the retaining clip or twist the socket clockwise to lock it in place. Reattach the wiring connector firmly, reconnect the battery if disconnected, and turn on the headlight to confirm proper operation before replacing any covers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.